Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I am doing a Dollar General grocery haul. So I'm going to try to do Walmart, Kroger, and Dollar General this month, and try to do that throughout the year. So this year, for 2019, I'm going to be budgeting more. Normally I just go in with a list, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to get whatever. I'm not really looking to stay under a certain amount of money, but this year I'm going to try to. So my budget for the Dollar General for this at the beginning of the month, for mainly like laundry supplies and just like a couple at-home things, was $50, and my total came to $43.15. So let's just get started. These two weren't on my list to get, but they had them on sale for $4.25, and I drink a lot of like cappuccino mix and hot chocolate for my Keurig, and this is honestly a really good deal at Kroger's. For I think it's a 16 pack, it's like $9 for hot chocolate, so $4.25 is a super good deal. So I just got a pack of caramel cappuccino and milk chocolate hot cocoa. Then I got Grandma 3 of these Hormel chilies with beans. She asked me to get them. I don't eat it, but she loves it. Then I got a pack of dryer sheets. I am almost out of dryer sheets. The kind I'm using now, I don't even remember what they are. They're like Kroger brand. And I am not a big fan of them. So I got these Gain ones, and the Moonlight Breeze scent is my absolute favorite. You'll notice that through the majority of this haul. But I got the pack of 105 because I had a coupon. Oh no, I didn't. The coupon came off. Oh yeah, I did. I had a coupon for $1 off. They're normally $4.50, but they were on sale for $3.95, and then I had $1 off. So that was a really good deal for those. And then I got some more trash bags. I get the Glad, the value size. This lasts me usually about a month and a half. I'm still finishing up my other box, but I only have a couple, so I got another box, and it is the Glad with Gain Moonlight Breeze scent as well. And these were also on sale. They were, how much were they? They were $6.50, and normally they're $7. Then I got 2 of these little candy bars. They're the Andes Snap candy bars. It's like mint. It's chocolate with mint in the middle. These are pretty much the candies you get at Olive Garden. And my grandma and I both love them. I'll show you, like, this is my freezer. I have like a whole stash of them right here. We don't eat them very often, but I like to have them every once in a while. My grandma's a diabetic, so if I just give her one of those, if her sugar's dropping, it helps bring it back up really quick. And I like to have them just as a nice little treat sometime. Then I got some more of my Gain fireworks and scent boosters. And again, these are in the Moonlight Breeze scent. And these were on sale for $3.95 as well, normally $4.50. And I thought I had a coupon for those, but I guess it took off of the dryer sheets instead. Then I got some of this. I've never tried this. It's the Ultra Downy Infusions Lavender Serenity Fabric Conditioner, and it smells super good. But I thought I would give this a try, and it was on sale. Let me see. How much were you? Okay. Oh, it wasn't on sale. It was $4.50, but I had $1 off coupon, so it came to $3.50, so it wasn't that much. So I thought it couldn't hurt to give it a try. And then the last thing I got was my laundry soap. I use Tide. I always use Tide. Tide is the only laundry detergent that I can use. Any of like these and this and like the dryer sheets, it doesn't matter. I can use any of those. Tide, I have to use Tide or else I get really bad urinary tracts. I don't know why. It's only with the laundry detergent. So we usually try to get the Tide with Downy, so then I wouldn't need this. But they've been out for a really long time because this has the fabric softener in it. But they had it, so I grabbed it, and I still have some of my last month's Tide. Tide usually lasts me about 2 months. but I have like half of a thing of it, so I can add this to it because it doesn't have Downy. And the Tide was on sale for, it was supposed to be like $8, but it was $8.95. So I might have grabbed the wrong one, but that's okay. That's alright. So my total, like I said, came to $43.15, so I was under budget, and I also had the coupons, so I saved about $2.70 with coupons, and then I had some store discounts as well, which doesn't count in that, so I saved a little bit more than that. But I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. If you guys have tried any of these, like the dryer sheets or the fabric softener, let me know. Snoop, get in here, please. And yeah, so I think that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you all have a lovely Saturday, and I will see you in my next video. I should be live streaming tomorrow, by the way. Not sure yet. But yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.